Aspiro for their multi-platform app by Aspiro TV. A tailored white-labeled mobile TV and VOD streamlining solution that enables a flexible and complete service where layout, branding and content packs are customized according to each partner's needs. CBS Interactive for TV.com. The app that allows users to search and access thousands of shows across all CBS networks and sites. Now with improved search functionality and higher resolution video optimized for the iPhone 4. Orange for Orange Cinéma Series app. Consisting of 5 channels dedicated to film and TV series, this app allows Orange customers to download selected premium movies and series over Wi-Fi onto Android tablets or mobiles, and then watch the content offline, providing the ultimate viewing experience for video content at home or on the go. Saffron Digital for Media Hub. Launched in Samsung's Galaxy S smartphone series, this multimedia store and download system enables users to browse, purchase and download films and TV programs, holding users' content in the cloud where it can be accessed anytime from multiple devices. X2 TV for X2 TV, a dual-screen service that produces and pushes mobile content in parallel to the traditional TV broadcast, enriching the shows with more information, quick answers, polls, and interactive services, as well as supporting all typical social networking features and video streaming.